Have you ever wondered how the wealthiest individuals keep getting richer, while you're left working harder for every dollar? Well, I've got some good news for you. It's time to level up your finances, and in this video, I'll show you one of the most powerful tools used by the world's richest people, the power of dividend stocks. Now, I know what you're thinking. Dividends? Sounds boring, right? Well, get ready to be blown away. This isn't about simply investing. It's about unlocking the secret to passive income that could change your life forever. Stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing the game-changing strategy that could start filling your wallet while you sleep. The basics of dividend stocks. Okay, let's start simple. What exactly are dividend stocks? Picture this. You're holding shares in a company, and for every share you own, they pay you a little bit of money, just for holding it. Sounds like a dream, right? That's the power of dividend stocks. But don't get it twisted. Dividends are not guaranteed. Companies usually pay them out from their profits, but only if they're financially strong enough. Think of it like a reward for trusting in a company's growth. Now, why is this so exciting for you? Because dividend stocks let you generate income without having to sell your shares. You're earning money passively from companies you believe in. Imagine getting a paycheck from your investments without lifting a finger. Doesn't that sound like the lifestyle you've been dreaming of? Why dividend stocks matter for your financial freedom? But here's the kicker. Why should you care about dividend stocks? Well, let me paint a picture. You're working hard every day, maybe even picking up a second job, thinking that wealth is something that only happens to other people. But what if I told you that by choosing the right stocks, you could start building a stream of income that makes you money while you sleep? I know, sounds crazy, but it's real. You see, dividend stocks help you compound your wealth. That means, over time, those dividend payments get reinvested, which helps you earn even more. Imagine having your money make more money for you. That's the power of smart investing. How to get started with dividend stocks? All right, now you're probably wondering, okay, this sounds amazing, but how do I actually get started? And I'll tell you, it's simpler than you think. You don't need to be a stock market genius to begin. The first step? Identify the companies that actually pay dividends. I'm talking about blue chip stocks, household names like Coca-Cola, Apple, and Johnson & Johnson. These are the big dogs, the companies that have been paying dividends for decades. Now, I know you're asking, but wait, do I just buy stocks and hope they pay out? Not quite. There's a little more strategy here, and we're just getting started. The key here is consistency. Dividend payments are typically made quarterly, so you want to build a portfolio of companies that are reliable and have a history of paying out. The goal? Create a passive income stream that grows steadily over time. If you're serious about getting financial freedom, this is how you start. The power of reinvesting dividends. Now, here's where things get really exciting. Reinvesting your dividends. Imagine this. You receive your quarterly payout, and instead of just cashing it out or spending it on some random impulse buy, I know, we've all been there, you reinvest that money. You use it to buy more shares. And guess what happens? You start to create a snowball effect. The longer you do this, the faster your money grows. Think about it. You're not just earning from the original stock. You're earning from the dividends you reinvested. And over time, that snowball gets bigger and bigger, generating more and more wealth. How to minimize risk and make smarter decisions. Here's the thing you need to understand. Dividend stocks aren't risk-free. Some companies cut or even eliminate dividends, and when that happens, it can seriously hurt your portfolio. So, how do you protect yourself? The key is diversification. Diversifying means spreading your investments across various sectors and industries. So if one stock doesn't perform, it won't wipe you out. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your risk to create a stable income flow. And hey, just like you wouldn't eat the same meal every day, you shouldn't have all your investments in the same sector. Trust me, your portfolio, just like your diet, needs variety. The dividend strategy that could change everything. Now here's the game changer. Are you ready? The secret strategy that the rich use to make their wealth explode? It's called the Dividend Aristocrat strategy. These are companies that have not only paid dividends for decades, but have increased their payouts year after year. It's like having a money tree that keeps growing more fruit every season. And hey, Just like you wouldn't eat the same meal every day, you shouldn't have all your investments in the same sector. Trust me, your portfolio, just like your diet, needs variety. The dividend strategy that could change everything. Now here's the game changer. Are you ready? The secret strategy that the rich use to make their wealth explode? It's called the Dividend Aristocrat strategy. These are companies that have not only paid dividends for decades, but have increased their payouts year after year. It's like having a money tree that keeps growing more fruit every season. And if you get into these stocks early and reinvest, the growth potential is insane. But here's the catch. It's not just about picking any company that pays dividends. You've got to do your homework, look at their financials, and make sure they're sustainable. I'll show you exactly how to spot the winners in a future video. The path to financial freedom. So, are you ready to start building your financial freedom through dividend stocks? The opportunity is there, waiting for you. No more waiting for that perfect job or waiting for your big break. By taking smart action today, you can start building a future that works for you. Remember, the earlier you start, the more you let time work for you. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. The wealthiest people in the world didn't get there by playing it safe. They invested smartly. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join me as we embark on this journey together. Your future starts right now. Let's make it happen.